morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. Yesterday was filled with grocery shopping and my usual Sunday turnover from the week before. And last night I prepared split pea soup with ham. Oh, it was very good. It'll be a great addition to my next cookbook, which is all about soups. Tonight, I'm doing something simple, but it's kind of a two-parter. This morning, I'm going to be doing my macaroni salad, which we absolutely love here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Robin and I just love it with meals and to just snack on. That will be served with BTAs, bacon, tomato, and avocado sandwiches. Basically, it's a BLT without the L and substitute the A for avocado because just the two of us is not worth buying a head of iceberg lettuce for BLTs. It's just, yeah. So, let's get to it. Got the hardware going. As you know, I bake my bacon. I don't fry it in a pan. Restaurants bake their bacon. They don't do it in a pan. It's easier, it's more efficient, and it's much more clean to do it by the baking method. Dutch oven for the pasta. For the macaroni salad, we'll be using potato bread. The reason for the potato bread, the other second reason for the potato bread is I'm doing French toast in a day or two. So that's going to be make some wonderful French toast. Got some platter bacon, some wonderful tomatoes from the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market, some avocados. That's the BTAs. Of course, there's mayo. But the mayo is in with the macaroni salad fixings to include medium shells and possibly some small elbow macaroni. I won't know until I measured it out. Some red onion, some other wonderful tomatoes from the the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market, some mayo, some sour cream, some white wine vinegar, bit of sugar. The red bell peppers are also from the farmer's market. We'll have some celery, kosher salt, black pepper, and we're going with a new different mustard from Sierra Nevada. It's called Hazy Little Thing. It sounds very interesting, but we're going to try it instead of the porter. And of course, we have some flat leaf Italian parsley. Should be a wonderful, easy meal later on tonight for Robin and I. Now, here's the announcement. This will be my last daily message for a while. I am taking some time off. I have had conversations with Robin, some very good friends of mine, and the moderators for the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm taking at least a week to 2 weeks off, maybe possibly more, from my daily duties here at CCK. I need a break. I need a vacation. I have worked nonstop for nearly a year and a half, plus the cookbook. Recipes are just guidelines. I'm on the verge of burnout. So I will still be posting things into the group. I'm not leaving social media. I'm not taking a break from social media. I'm just taking a small, short break, aka vacation, from my daily duties here at Casual Chef's Kitchen. The moderators have agreed to step up and provide some daily content and keep things going within my absence. So, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me or the moderators. So, on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.